I just found a way to create AI POV videos 100% for free, using only 2 tools. No free plans, no watermarks, no credits, nothing. Check out this video I just made. In today's video, I'm going to share this secret with you completely for free. So let's stop wasting time and get started. The first step is to go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a POV script for whatever you want. In my case, it's about a person who wakes up in a wooden canoe, totally lost, then finds a desert island, and after that we tell it to improvise the rest of the story. It will generate a script with 10 scenes, but you can choose how many scenes you want. For the next step, we ask it to create a prompt for each scene to generate an image, and it will start generating all the prompts. Make sure the number of prompts matches the number of scenes in the script. Next, we move on to Grok. First, we set the format to image and choose the aspect ratio we want. Then we paste the prompt from the first scene to generate an image. In just a few seconds, we'll have plenty of images to choose from. In my case, this one right here. For the fourth step, we simply copy the script from scene 1 to generate the video. We paste it into Grok and make sure to include POV in the prompt. We hit generate and wait a few more seconds. Then we choose the video we like the most, and that's it. We just repeat this process for all the scenes we want. Once we finish the last video, we go to any video editor. In my case, CapCut. There, we remove all the background music that Grok adds to the clips and replace it with our own sounds to make it feel more realistic. Just go to Sound Effects and search for sounds related to your video style. When we're done, we click Export, and the video will be ready to upload and hopefully go viral. Here's how mine turned out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also click the video right next to me, where I'll teach you how to create viral epoxy flooring videos, also totally for free. Thank you, and goodbye.